Welcome to Employee Weekly. In this essential discussion, we'll explore 3 more incredible work-from-home companies that are always hiring. These are remote jobs you can start immediately. Yes, even today. I'll clearly outline exactly what qualifications they're seeking and provide straightforward guidance on how to apply. Right now, countless remote job opportunities span various industries, offering you the flexibility and security you need. All job links are conveniently provided in the description below. Don't miss out. Let's dive right in. Number 1. This job opportunity at Amazon is for a part-time, remote position titled Virtual Customer Service Associate. The role is based in Pierre, USA, and offers a competitive hourly wage between $25 and $35. Amazon emphasizes its commitment to being the most customer-centric company on earth, and this position plays a crucial role in achieving that goal by providing outstanding customer service. As a Virtual Customer Service Associate, your primary responsibility will be to assist customers by preventing issues, answering questions, and ensuring their satisfaction. You'll be the main point of contact for customers, handling their requests through multiple channels such as phone calls, live chats, and emails. These requests could range from questions about orders and products to payment concerns and guidance on navigating Amazon's website. To support you in this, Amazon provides various tools that help you research, analyze, and resolve customer inquiries effectively. One unique aspect of this role is that you won't be expected to memorize scripts or repeat responses robotically. Instead, Amazon will provide comprehensive training so you can confidently address customer issues while bringing your own personality and empathy to each interaction. This approach aims to create a natural, engaging, and positive experience for customers. The ideal candidate will be dedicated, clear in communication, and conscientious. You should be friendly and customer-focused in every situation, able to learn quickly, and comfortable adapting to change. The job environment is fast-paced and energetic, requiring the ability to multitask efficiently. In terms of benefits, Amazon offers much more than just the hourly pay. New hires receive full training and complete equipment package to work from home effectively. Additionally, employees gain access to healthcare coverage, a retirement savings plan, internet reimbursement, and lifestyle perks, including discounts through the Amazon Additional Items program. There are also ongoing professional development opportunities to help you grow your skills and advance your career within the company. Overall, this role is well suited for individuals who want a flexible remote job that provides strong support and benefits, especially if they enjoy helping customers and working in a dynamic, evolving environment. No previous customer service experience is required, making it an accessible opportunity for many. Job number 2. This job is for an entry-level recruiter and sales trainee position at Aerotech, a company specializing in human resources. The role is remote, allowing you to work from home, and it offers a starting salary of around $61,500 per year, with opportunities for commission and bonuses that can significantly increase your earnings. In this role, you will be part of Actilent, a division of Aerotech that focuses on connecting skilled professionals in engineering, sciences, and corporate roles with top employers. Your job is to build trusting relationships with candidates and clients, helping talented individuals find meaningful work and supporting companies by sourcing the right talent. As an entry-level recruiter, you'll manage the entire recruiting process. This means meeting with hiring managers to understand their staffing needs, sourcing and screening candidates through interviews and reference checks, and making sure the candidates' skills and goals align with the job opportunities. You'll also prepare candidates for interviews, help them start their new roles successfully, and maintain ongoing relationships by checking in to ensure their satisfaction. Actilent provides a comprehensive training program that includes role plays, job shadowing, and mentorship to help you quickly become an expert recruiter. They emphasize internal growth, promoting employees from within, and offering ongoing education and leadership opportunities. You will be supported by a positive and collaborative company culture that encourages personal and professional development. The ideal candidate should have a bachelor's degree, preferred but not always required, customer service or sales experience, strong interpersonal and communication skills, and a desire to succeed in a performance-based environment. You'll need to be a team player who enjoys building relationships and working in a dynamic setting. The compensation package includes a paid 13-week training period, starting base salary of $45,000 during training, which increases to $55,000 after 1 year. Top recruiters earn considerably more through commissions and bonuses, with some reaching 6-figure incomes within a few years. Benefits include healthcare, dental, vision, 401k retirement plans, paid time off, cell phone allowance, tuition reimbursement, employee discount discounts, and wellness programs. High performers also receive rewards like all expenses paid trips. Aerotech and Actilent are committed to creating an inclusive work environment where employees can bring their authentic selves to work. They support community involvement through the Allegius Group Foundation, which funds charitable efforts and encourages employee participation and giving back. Overall, this position is a great opportunity for someone eager to start a career in recruiting and sales, who enjoys helping people advance their careers and wants to grow within a well-established and supportive company. Job number 3. This job is for an HR specialist focused on recruitment and workday data entry at City University of Seattle, a well-regarded private nonprofit university with a strong commitment to adult learners and online education. The position is full-time, remote, and offers an hourly wage between $28 and $34, which translates roughly to about $64,480 annually, depending on experience. As an HR specialist in this role, you will be responsible for managing important parts of the recruitment process, as well as ensuring accurate data management within the university's Human Resources Information System, HRIS, specifically the Workday platform. Your job will combine hands-on recruitment tasks, like posting job openings, screening applicants, scheduling interviews, and assisting with onboarding, with maintaining clean, accurate employee data and supporting system operations. You will work closely with hiring managers to coordinate recruitment activities, handle pre-employment processes such as background checks and employment eligibility verification, and ensure that new hires and job changes are correctly recorded in Workday. Part of your role involves auditing employee data alongside the payroll team and generating various reports to help the HR department stay organized and compliant with policies. Troubleshooting basic issues within the Workday system will also be a key responsibility, including addressing workflow errors or missing data, serving as a knowledgeable point of contact for HR system users. Maintaining confidentiality and data integrity is critical in this role, as is providing general administrative support to the HR team. The ideal candidate should have previous experience with recruitment and HRS data entry, and importantly, hands-on experience using Workday software, with the ability to navigate and resolve common system issues independently. Strong organizational skills, proficiency in Microsoft Office tools, especially Outlook, Excel, and Word, excellent communication skills, and the ability to manage time effectively are essential. Experience supporting high-volume recruitment cycles or familiarity with applicant tracking systems is preferred. Experience in higher education or nonprofit environments is a plus due to the unique nature of these sectors. City University of Seattle offers a robust benefits package including health, dental, vision insurance, retirement plans with employer matching, paid holidays and time off, health savings and flexible spending accounts, tuition reimbursement, flexible work schedules, and employee recognition programs. Overall, this position is well suited for a detail-oriented HR professional who enjoys recruitment, data management, and working within a collaborative, mission-driven higher education setting. The remote nature of the job provides flexibility, while the diverse duties ensure a dynamic and engaging role supporting the university's workforce and students indirectly through effective HR operations. We hope the job search tips and insights we've shared in our videos have been valuable to you. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming job updates. See you in the next opportunity update.